Hello and welcome to this video in the Microsoft Ads training series. Today, we'll be talking about how to be more specific about targeting inside of our Microsoft Ads account. Some of you may have noticed there seemed to be a lot of advanced targeting missing. You can't go after just men or women, certain age groups, locations, or even times of day. What gives? Today, I'm going to show you how to do that inside of Microsoft Ads. Before we get started with the video, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday night for the Facebook group, where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. By subscribing, you're helping this channel reach more people and build out the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoy the video. Open up your Microsoft Ads Manager. Let's click on Campaigns in our navigation bar and select the campaigns that you want to make some targeting adjustments. In the navigation bar, select Settings. Here, you will see everything about your campaign and a much easier place to make all of your adjustments. To adjust targeting, we need to scroll down to Advanced Settings, and we can start making adjustments to the targeting for the schedule, device, and demographics. Let's start by playing with our ad schedule. By default, when you click on Ad Schedule, there will only be one entry targeting all days starting and ending at 12 a.m. Let's say that we want to spend less between 12 a.m. and 6 a.m. in our ad account. Well, we just adjust the start time to 12 a.m., end time to 6 a.m., and then we select Decrease, and you could decrease by up to 90%. Now let's say for this same campaign, we want to increase the spend of our budget during 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. We just click Add Another, and adjust the start time to 6 p.m., end time to 9 p.m., increase by in the drop-down list. Now, increase the bid by whatever increment you want, minimum of 10%. You may find that your ad spend goes quickly overnight, but it doesn't seem to give you any results during that time frame. This is the perfect way to allow you to get budget throughout the day without changing default bids during your preferred peak times. Now, let's move on to device. You'll have 3 options here. You can change the bid on desktop, tablet, or smartphone. If you know that your website converts much better on desktop compared to mobile, then you want to decrease your bid on smartphone and tablet by 90% and leave your desktop bid the same to see if you can generate more traffic on desktop. If it doesn't work, increase the bid on desktop by 10% until you find your optimal bid settings. Last up, demographic. You can increase and decrease the bid for any of the age groups listed or by gender. If you're offering a product that's designed for women only, you would decrease your bid on males by 90%, and you should effectively eliminate the clicks and searches coming from male users. Microsoft doesn't make it easy to adjust your targeting. This is my only complaint about this platform. The targeting is well hidden and is not the most intuitive at all. However, for the low competition and the reduced cost, it really is a problem I would live with. That's all for today. If this helped you at all, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily advertising, marketing, dropshipping, and Shopify training. Next training, we'll be putting those remarketing lists to use. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.